If you want to upscale an image in Photopea without getting lost in the menus, this is the easiest way to do it. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to increase the resolution of a photo or any raster image inside Photopea using the built-in image size feature. This is perfect if you need a larger image for social media, a thumbnail, a presentation, or just to make an old image usable again. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Photopea tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your image in Photopea. You can do that by going to File, then Open, and selecting the image from your computer. Once your image is loaded, look up at the top menu bar. What you want to use here is the Image menu. Click Image, then choose Image Size. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also use Ctrl plus Alt plus I on Windows or Command plus Option plus I on Mac. Now the image size window will appear. This is where the actual upscaling happens. The first thing you want to check is that your dimensions are set in pixels. That matters because if you're working in pixels, you'll have a much clearer idea of how much larger the image is becoming. In the width and height boxes, type in your new values. You can increase either width or height, and as long as the link icon is turned on between them, Photopea will keep the aspect ratio locked. That means your image won't stretch or become distorted. If the link icon is not enabled, your image could end up looking squashed or pulled in the wrong direction, so make sure it stays checked unless you specifically want to change the proportions. For most cases, especially when you're upscaling a photo or a graphic, you want that aspect ratio locked. Next comes the most important part, the resampling method. This is the setting that tells Photopea how to create the extra pixels. At the bottom of the window, you'll see the interpolation or resampling option. For standard upscaling, Bicubic is a great default choice. It gives you smooth results and works well for most images. If you're enlarging the image a lot and want to reduce artifacts, Bicubic Smoother is usually the better option. And if your image has sharp edges, text, or crisp graphic details, Bicubic Sharper can help keep those edges looking cleaner. So if you're working with a photograph, try Bicubic first. If the image starts looking rough or blurry as you increase the size, switch to Bicubic Smoother. And if you want to preserve a more defined look, Bicubic Sharper may be the better fit. There isn't one perfect setting for every image, so it's worth testing based on what kind of file you're editing. Once you've entered the new dimensions and chosen the right interpolation method, click OK. Photopea will now generate the new pixels and apply the upscale to your image. Depending on the size and complexity of the file, it may take a moment, but once it finishes, your image will appear larger inside the canvas. After that, take a quick look at the result. Zoom in and make sure the image still looks good for your purpose. If it's a photo, check for softness or blur. If it's a graphic, check the edges and any text to make sure everything still looks clean. If needed, you can always go back and adjust the upscale settings again with a different resampling method. And that's the basic way to upscale in Photopea. It's fast, simple, and built right into the editor, so you don't need any extra software or plugins. Once you know where the image size menu is, the whole process takes just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photopea tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.